Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video we're gonna solve simultaneous equations. Let's start. So this is the first questions. So there's a different ways to do these questions, but I'm gonna explain easy method. I think so you can understand in the first attempt. Okay, so we're gonna solve these equations, means we're gonna find the values of x and y. To do this one, so let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So there's a two equations. So 5x plus 3y is equal to 41 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 20. Now we can see here, so this is the y and this is 3 here and this is 3 here, so this is called coefficient. So these two numbers are same, it means we can add or take away. Now the next step, so both is plus sign, so it means we can take away. So we can take away first equation from the second one. So I'm gonna write it down here. 1 take away 2. So let's start. 5 take away 2 is going to be 3x, and 3 take away 3 is going to be 0, and 41 take away 20 is going to be 21. Now to find x, we have to divide by 3 both sides. So I'm going to divide 3 over here and I'm going to divide by 3 over here as well. So this is going to be cancelled out. So x is equal to 7. So we got x. Now we need to find y as well. To find y, we need to substitute x in one of the equations. So I'm going to choose the first one. So I'm going to write down over here 5x plus 3y is equal to 41. So I'm gonna substitute x is equal to 7, means replacing x by 7. So I'm gonna do 5, this is x, times by 7 because x is 7, plus 3y is equal to 41. Now 5 times 7 is equal to 35, plus 3y is equal to 41. So we need to find the values of y, so we need to take away 35 both sides. So I'm going to take away 35 over here. I'm going to take away 35 over here as well. So this is going to be cancelled out. So we got 3y over here. And this is going to be 41 take away 35 is going to be 6. Now to find y, I need to divide by 3 over here and divide by 3 over here. So y is equal to 2. And we got this one. Easy peasy. I hope so you understand this one. We're gonna do two more questions as well. So I'm gonna repeat again quickly. So in simultaneous equation, we need to find the values of x and y. So we need to find the same coefficient either of x or y. So here, so the y3 is same, which is a y coefficient. So then, and the sign is plus as well, so we can take away. So if the signs are plus, we take away, and if the signs are minus, we still is going to be take away. But if one is plus and minus, then we need to add it. So and we're going to do this one in the next question. So let's start the next question. Okay guys, and this is second question. In this question you can see that so one is plus and one is minus. So which coefficient is same? This is 5 and this is 3. This is not same, but there's a y, and y means there's a 1y. So we no need to write 1. So these coefficients are same. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, we can say that. So I told you if one is plus and one is minus, we need to add it. So we need to add both equations. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 3 is going to be 8x, and plus 1y minus 1y is going to be 0. We no need to write 0, is equal to 11 plus 9 is going to be 20. Now to find x, I'm going to divide by 8 here. So I'm going to divide by 8 here. So this is going to be cancelled out. So x is equal to, so I can simplify this one. Both comes in 4 times table. So I'm going to divide by 4 both side. So this is going to be 5 over 4. You can write the answer in the decimal as well, but you can leave in the fraction if this non-calculator paper, because sometimes it's different, it's going to be difficult fraction, maybe you cannot divide it, but you can leave as a fraction. Now to find y, we need to substitute x in any one of the equations. So I'm going to substitute, I'm going to choose second, this one this time. So it's going to be 3x minus y is equal to 9. So I'm going to replace x by 5 by 4. So 3 times 5 over 4 minus y is equal to 9. I just replaced x by 5 over 4. Now I'm gonna solve this one. So 5 times 3 is going to be 15 over 4 minus y is equal to 9. So I need to take away 15 over 4 both sides. So this is a plus. So this is going to be on the other side. Then this become minus. So this is going to be minus y is equal to 9 minus 15 over 4. So it's going to be minus y. So to do this one, so I need to make the same denominator. So there's a 4 here, and to get 4 over here, or I can do 4, the denominator is 1 over here. So I need to do 4 times 9 is going to be 36 minus 15. So 36 minus 15 is going to be 21. So 21 over 4. So minus is going to be go on the other side. So y is equal to minus 21 over 4, and this is the values of y. Hope so you understand this one. So I'm going to say this again. If there's a 1 plus and 1 minus and the coefficient is same, maybe is the y coefficient or x coefficient, it could be different variable a or b. So if both is, if sorry, one is plus, one is minus, you need to take away. And yeah, so let's do the other questions. Sorry, yeah. So if one is plus, one is minus, we need to add it. And if both is plus, then we need to take away. I'm gonna do the next question where both is a negative sign. Let's do that question. Okay guys, this is the third questions. So here we can see that there's a 4y and 4y, so y coefficient are same, but the signs are both minus. So I'm gonna write down here, if the signs are same, means if both are plus plus or both are minus minus, then you need to subtract them. You subtract them. Okay, if the signs are different, like in the second question, one is plus, one is minus. If one is plus, one is minus, then you need to add it. Add means equations, like this is the first equation, this is the second equations. So here we can say that the signs are same of the y coefficient, which is same, which is 4 and 4. So we need to subtract it. So what I'm gonna do 1 minus 2. So I'm gonna do 4 minus 1x is going to be 3x. Now this is minus 4, then we're gonna take away. So I'm gonna write it down here, minus 4 minus 4y. So this makes, so this minus 4y, sorry, so minus 4y minus minus make plus 4y, so this becomes 0. So that's why this becomes 0. We no need to write 0. So 24 take away 3 is going to be 21. So divide by 3 both sides to find x. Divide by 3 over here. So x is equal to 7. Easy peasy. To find y, so which one is easy? So I can see the second one. So I'm going to substitute in second equations. So I'm going to write down here x minus 4y is equal to 3. So it's going to be 7 minus 4y is equal to 3. So I take 7 both side, take 7 here. So this is going to be cancelled out. It's going to be minus 4y is going to be minus 4, and divide by minus 4 both side, minus 4. So y is equal to 1 now, because minus minus make plus. So this is the solution. Okay guys, hope so you understand this method. So I'm gonna repeat this again. If the signs are same, you need to subtract, and if the signs are different, you need to add it. Simple. Just then, and then after that you can find the values of x and y. Okay, I'm gonna put some questions, you can do practice, and if you need any help you can leave the comments. So now I will try my best to give you the answer back. And if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so these are the questions. You can solve this one, and if you need the answers you can leave your comments, so I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.